Hi everyone. So today I'm going to explain about a scenario. So we are having an agent. So I'm doing the conversation with the agent. So once the conversation ends, I want to capture the feedback. So whether the agent has performed well or it is like there are some hallucination happened or it's not up to the mark of the expectation. So I want to capture the rating as well as if there are any comments, I want to capture the comments. So how to achieve that? So I'll show it in the demo. So I have this agent. So this agent is a join. So we have a messaging session. So this is the active messaging session which I have. So for this, I have created two fields in the messaging session object. So we have feedback rating and feedback comments. Well, to upload. So just I'll provide something. So it has provided some information. So there's a conversation happened. So once after that conversation, I'll just type end. So this is like opt out keywords. So once we type end, so there will be a messaging session will be automatically end. So here I have placed a LWC component. So this LWC is present inside the experience side. So when I opt out, so there is a event which has been fired. So during the firing of that event, I am listening to that event in the LWC and I am opening up this LWC component. So here I have options to capture the rating as well as the comments. So I can enter the rating and the comments. So let me submit. So once after entering the details in some, if I go to the messaging session record, details, here you can see 4-star rating and the comments has been provided. So let me zoom out. So the comments is a testing feedback which I have provided. So this is one way, like I have opted out. So addition to that, we have another one scenario. So where I can go on end the conversation by clicking on end chat. So even in this place also, we have another one, event listener. So close conversation. So that will be triggered and I'm listening to that as well and I'm updating the messaging session record. So end chat. So again, whatever the details which I previously entered, I'm fetching and showing up. So they can testing feedback and conversation. So just one click on submit. Now I go here, just refresh. Here. So here we can see the testing feedback and the conversation. The comments got updated. So basically, I am using the event listeners that are already present in the Salesforce. So let me explain the event listener which I have used. So I have used on embedded messaging conversation closed. So this is for when I end the chat, this event listener will be published. So we can listen to this event listener and there will be a server sent events. There will be a structure of informations which will be passed. So we can get that event details and based on the event details, I can proceed further. So in order to get the session ID, so I have used another one, event listener. That is on embedded messaging session status update. So in this event listener, I am able to get the session ID as well as whenever the status waiting active and ended, this will be triggered. So using these two event listeners, I have implemented that. In the site advanced markup, I have added the script languages to listen to the event listener and I am passing the informations from a custom event. That custom event will be listened in the LWC and that LWC will be used to update the fields in the messaging. So I'll add this article link in the post. So that's it for today. Thank you.